Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to verify your phone number on Roblox. In order to verify your account, you have to go to the Roblox website. So after opening your browser, you have to go to the official Roblox website. Now click on Roblox. Make sure that you're logged in to your account and click on the gear button, then go to settings. After that, in the account info section, you will see an option called add phone on the top hand side, and if you click on add phone, after inputting your phone number, a 6-digit code will go to your mobile phone number and you can input it and proceed. After inputting the 6-digit code, you'll see that a verification tick will appear on the right of your phone number and the phone number is verified. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.